These are pretty. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. How are you? I am doing great. We are reviewing another kit, balloon garland kit from Shimmer and Confetti. This is more into burgundy colors, so fall, winter colors. Excited to see how this balloon garland will look. And I will link that particular balloon garland in a description under the video. Without any further ado, let's go. Here is the box that you will receive from Shimmer and Confetti. Let's open this up together to see what does this kit includes in itself. So first things first, we have balloons. Looks like brown burgundy balloons in 12-inch. We also have silver, brown, and burgundy. I think it's brown. They look really, really dark, so I'm not sure. Then we have these unusual confetti balloons. These are not your confetti, but these are like shredded silver foil inside of balloons. Really excited to try them out. Then we have instructions. We have this ribbon. If you decide to fill in your balloons with helium or just leave them and add pretty ribbon, this is it. We have something new right here in those kits. They recently updated their kits. They're including the roll of fishing line. Some people like me, I like to use fishing line better than balloon strip. So this kit is awesome because you have a choice, either using fishing line or you can use your balloon strip. We have row of glue dots. And last but not least, we have our balloon pump to pump your balloons. That's all we have in the kit. Let's put our hands on those balloons and create this balloon garland. So I think I want to go with fishing line. So I am taking my balloons. I'm starting with my 12-inch balloons over here. Let's see what kind of size we have here. We have 5-inch and we have 12-inch silver balloons. We have 12-inch these confetti balloons and 5-inch confetti balloons. I am going to mix all these balloons and all of these silver balloons into one mix. Then with my 5-inch balloons, I am going to blow them up separately, but two balloons at the same time, tie them into pairs, but I'm not going to include them into my balloon base. So let's start with this. And my confetti balloons, I am blowing them separately and tying them separately, and then I'm going to fill in spaces at the very end. My balloons are ready, blown and paired. Now I left these guys over here, just a few of them, to blow these separately. I'm going to tie them separately. I'm going to use my balloon tying tool, and at the very end I'm going to fill in spaces with these as well. These are pretty. Now to fix these confettis, I am taking regular cloth. I don't like using high float just because high float can't leave your balloons kind of cloudy after some time. So I'm taking this regular, cloth and start rubbing on my balloon to create static. Rub it a little, give it a shake, and already it is so much better. This technique will give you like 2 days of static or so, maybe longer. So not too long, but long enough. So really, really pretty, unusual, love it. Assemble your balloon garland, we are taking our fishing line. Which way? This way. Okay. Taking our first balloon pair, tying our fishing line to our balloon pair. Different pair. Putting right on top of our first pair, kind of pinching those two pairs with my fingers, taking my fishing line, wrapping around newly placed balloon once around it, pull on your fishing line and push your balloons together. Again, around newly placed balloon once, push on your balloons and pull on your fishing line. Don't pull too hard because you can cut your balloons and that's not going to be nice. Balloons will start deflating. Next pair, right on top. Pinch, push and pull, wrap, push and pull. And that's how you're going to build your balloon garland. Keep constructing. You'll be done in no time. Secure your balloon garland. Cut a long tail of fishing line with one hand holding, with the other wrapping around one of the balloons right there. Now I created this loop from fishing line. Take this fishing line tail and feed it through that loop. Pull on your tail and do that a couple of times to completely secure and tie a few knots. Alright, before hanging my balloon garland, what I want to do is that I don't like this column, straight column shape. I want to play around with balloons, push them, twist them, you know, change the course of balloon garland, shape of it. So keep playing, keep pushing, twisting. It is becoming a lot better. To hang my balloon garland, obviously, you guys, first things first, you need to measure and see how you want your garland to look against your backdrop or on a wall. So here I'm picking my balloon garland up, kind of straightening, seeing how and where I want to place it. Something like this. I am taking my extra fishing line, cutting a piece of it. I already have my safety pin pinned right over here, right in this corner. And I'm going to take that safety extra fishing line, wrap it around my balloon garland, and then take it to my safety pin and tie it. I feel like it's way too short, so I want to add extra fishing line and add in those pairs that I didn't add into my balloon garland. My base is on my backdrop. Now I am taking my glue dots and I'm using more than just one glue dot per balloon to fill in spaces. I like to start with silver and these confetti balloons, spread them out kind of like evenly sort of, and then fill in spaces with other balloons that are laying around waiting their turn. Let's go. Hey!
Let's go over here.
My 5-inch balloons, two pairs at the same time. I am twisting those balloons together to create this bunch of balloons of 4. So I'm going to create these guys and I'm going to fill in spaces like that. Here is what I have for you guys today. This is my take on this Shimmer and Confetti balloon garland. Thank you for sending me this kit. I enjoyed this kit very, very much. Thank you, Shimmer and Confetti. I found my favorite, another favorite balloons with confettis. These are so beautiful. They look even better in real life than on film and pictures. You guys, loved every single balloon. None of the balloons had holes, nothing popped, everything works very good together. I love Shimmer and Confetti's kits. They are always nice and really pretty as well. I like that they have fishing line and balloon strip, so you can have pick or choose what you want to do with your balloon garland. Look at this, it's beautiful. It does remind me of fall and it does remind me of winter, so good mix for both of the seasons. I will link this balloon garland in the description under the video. I will also share a few pictures. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my Shimmer and Confetti balloon garland kit review. Let me know if you have any additional questions. You can leave them in the comment section below. I'll be there to answer them all and I will try to help you to the best of my abilities. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video with family and friends, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos. Alrighty guys, I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I will see you back very soon. Bye!